going on, ladies and gentlemen? Today we are out and about with Mr. Suburban Delinquent. It's a little gloomy out, and we're hoping it doesn't get rained on, but we're going a little freestyle, off the script, no plans. We're just going to go ride around and see what we get into. Definitely for sure know that food's going to be involved. We're going to go get some food, enjoy some deliciousness, and see what happens. No, You realize there are 0 stickers on my bike, man.
Got one now.
Never just a normal day riding with Sub D.
I got some cool stuff for Bob.
Oh yeah?
That's why I want to go see Bob.
Alright.
I got some cool stuff. I also have a big announcement.
Uh-oh. Always a fun time riding with Sub D. We out. We ain't got no plans. Hoping it doesn't rain. Please. I really don't want to get soaked. It rained on the way over here, so we're going to find out. But apparently we're going to see Bob. Try to find something good to eat and just kind of see where the day takes us. Always fun when you go out riding and you have like 0 plans, and it's just weird to where the day takes you, man. Uh-oh. That could have been bad. And he's in an SUV. He could have just jumped right over that thing. That could have been bad. When you got on the freeway and the cop was sitting there.
How do you get off the freeway?
And he's on an SUV. He could have just went burp. Look at these clouds. I almost was like, you know what? Let's ride tomorrow or something. Yeah, the good thing is it's really not that cold. It's about 60 degrees, so it just seems overcast. I mean, 60 could be cold, but I mean, it could be worse, right? Especially on a gloomy day. All right. No feet. No feet. Look at those mountains. I know it's probably really hard to see, but that looks insane. The cloud coverage over the top of the mountains. That's what I'm worried about. Huh. Wow, look at that. There's still a lot of bikes out here. That's fucking cool. That's really cool. I wasn't expecting that many bikes. What's going on there? Got a skateboard ramp back there.
What?
A skateboard ramp.
Right there?
A half pipe. No.
Mr. Turbo, he set the world record on that bike.
That's dope. Alright guys, so we stopped by real quick to have a little looky-loo. Saw a few people we know hanging around, drinking, having a little bit of fun. A lot of bikes out, even with this weather. You gotta love California.
It was raining when we pulled in.
Yeah.
It's not raining now.
Yeah, I was not expecting this many bikes to be here today, mainly because of the weather.
Oh yeah, it's like this, even if it's raining.
This is nuts. It's cool to see that. Still crazy.
I could always come here if I'm real bored.
I'm calling it crazy that there's this many bikes out, but yet we're out riding, trying to find stuff to do, so. Working, there you go. And we're getting some sprinkles. I'll wipe you guys off. Hopefully you guys don't have too much on you. After this, I'm not sure exactly what we're doing, but we were talking, of course, about going to get some food and finding something. The one thing that I was thinking of is trying to find something a bit unique, something a bit different. Kind of like, oh, what's the word for it? I don't know, just unique, something that you don't normally just go to eat, you know? Something odd, or has something special about it. He said he had some ideas, so we shall see. Let's go see Bob and grab a soda.
Bob's got a pillow. Where does pillow come from?
And it's a little cold. I think we should go warm up. Get some food. Somebody's got a good spot. Try steak. Steak is what's for dinner. Or lunch. Sounds good to me. Sub D says he knows a good steak place, and it's a good steak place, so we can go check it out. I'm getting kind of hungry. I'm kind of cold, and it's a little rainy. This is perfect type of food for this type of weather. Now, it's kind of crazy that you can go from like a little foresty area to like no cell reception to the middle of this, like you're in the town, a city, back to civilization within like 3 minutes. Oh, that's freaking cool. Look at that. That's beautiful. They do have good chicken nuggets. Oh. How many people think he's lost? I'm pretty sure he's lost. But, I mean, that happens all the time, I think. I feel like he's always forgetting where he's at. That's hilarious. I was completely right. We were completely lost. Hey, but look, that's not on me. Like I said earlier, I have no idea where I'm at. I'm always lost when I ride with him. Ooh, they gotta juice it up. If you've never been to Juice It Up, that's delicious. They got this little thing with like Mexican spices on it. Oh, it's so good. You found it. It smells delicious. I think so. It smells amazing. Alright, Wood Ranch Barbecue Grill. You smell amazing. Let's do this. Oh man, if you could smell this. Oh, I think you like it. It smells amazing. Alright, so we're at Woody, what's it called? Woody something steakhouse. I don't know, it's delicious.
Wood Ranch.
It smells delicious. I haven't even eaten it, but the smell already is just, it's gonna smell good. Tastes good. I mean, check this out. Alright, you said it was amazing, so I'm just gonna go ahead and take a slice here. Let me get the nice, pretty side out. Alright. That was good, Brad. Alright, so we just finished up at the something ranch, Wood Ranch Grill. Delicious. Of course, this guy knows about food, and a great fucking call. We were trying to figure out where to go, and he nailed it. You nailed it. This place was delicious. Yeah, man. Thank you. Yeah, great place for steak. Anyways, I think we're going to end it here. It's a short day. You can see it's still kind of funky weather out, and we're not used to this type of weather. We like the sun. So, it's a little chilly out. Time to call it a day. Make sure to go hit that subscribe button down below. Hit that like button. Make sure to check out Sub D if you don't already follow him, which I'm sure you do. And as always, till next time, peace.